Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to clear your frequently used emojis on iPhone. Clearing your emoji history can help reset your keyboard, giving you a fresh start with a clean slate of frequently used emojis. So, let's get started on how to clear frequently used emojis on iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to the General Settings. Now, find the Transfer or Reset iPhone option and tap on it. Tap on the Reset option. From the menu that appears, tap on the Reset Keyboard Dictionary option. Finally, enter your passcode and your frequently used emojis will be cleared. And this is how you can clear frequently used emojis on iPhone. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.